All right, what's up, people? It's your boy, Wes Fisher. I got my friend here, Daniel, on the line. I want to ask him some questions about his YouTube page and ask him some questions about fitness and just get to know him as a person. Daniel, for people who don't know anything about you, who you are, can you tell us who you are?
Oh, okay. So I'm Daniel, and I have a YouTube channel called DK21. So you guys can go check that out. And I just post videos about like health and fitness and soccer, really. So y'all should go check it out.
That's awesome. Yeah, I came across your channel maybe like a couple weeks ago, and I subscribed and I checked it out. I like that you're posting consistently. You're really focused on what you're doing. So I had some questions for you, man. So, can you hear me? Hello? One thing we do
yeah, I can hear you a little bit.
Okay, one thing we gotta do is get you on a laptop, man. Oh, you know what? Hold up. I think I can fix my sound settings here. I think I can fix something. Hold on. Sorry, guys. This is me learning this technology from scratch. All right, here we go. I'm gonna change my speakers to. Oh no, it should be internal mic. Okay, you should be able to hear me. Okay. All right. So, Daniel, question for you. What made you start YouTube, and what is your goal with YouTube?
YouTube-wise, I guess the only reason I started it mostly was to help my soccer career, so I can see myself develop, and also I can get the attention of maybe some scouts or some other people. So that was like the main reason.
Awesome, awesome. What do you want to go? You want to be like the next? I don't know anything about soccer. The next Beckham or something? I don't know.
Yeah, I just for me, anywhere like professional, but in Europe. Like my biggest goal is to play in Europe.
Okay. Well, hey, you keep posting videos and doing what you're doing, man. You'll get there. All right, so let's switch gears to fitness. So how long have you been playing soccer? And who do you play for now? What do you do? Who do you play for?
Okay, so I've been playing for about since I was like 3 or 2. I've been playing since very young, and right now I play for a local team called Hᴜston what's it called? Hᴜston Legends FC, and it's just like a kind of local club, not really an academy, but I'm hoping to progress to an academy.
Wow. How long you been with the local club?
This is actually my first season with them.
Nice. And now with everything
but
but I was gonna say with everything going on with COVID-19, have you even played a game yet?
No, I haven't even. I played like 1 game with them. That was it. And I've been to maybe about like 5 practices. So it's COVID has really affected it, and it was really frustrating at first. But I guess in a way it kind of came as a blessing in disguise, because I've been able to like work hard and kind of get a lot better in this short amount of time. So I'm kind of glad in a way.
Yeah, awesome. That's pretty good. All right, so what are some tips and tricks to staying active, losing weight, maintaining a healthy lifestyle during these crazy times we're living in? Because your YouTube channel, you post a lot about your practices and what you're doing in soccer, but then you posted some great videos about how to lose weight, how to maintain weight loss. What are some tips and tricks you want to share with people, specifically when it comes to like now during COVID-19, it's very hard to go to a gym. It's very hard to get out of the house. How are you staying in shape at home?
I think the best answer for that is like consistency and something that is maintainable. Because you don't want like we're not trying to look at the short term. We're trying to look at, you know, kind of for life. So if you wanna, I wouldn't really recommend a diet. Try and look into something that's like, you know, you can maintain for the long term. Like try and make it a lifestyle, and like fit. Like if we're talking about working out and stuff like that, then even though gyms are closed, you could always like do some push-ups at home, go for a jog around the neighborhood, do some squats. There's a bunch of home workouts you can do, body weight workouts and stuff like that.
Are you going to be creating some YouTube videos with some home workouts? I know you actually have some.
Oh yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a lot of my vlogs, I post some of like the workouts and stuff. Sometimes I'll explain it. Like in my earlier videos, I did some in the 30-day challenge where I was like showing all the workouts and stuff like that.
Awesome. Well, Daniel, as you might
hopefully
know,
in the future I'll do some videos. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I was hopefully in the future I'll do some videos like just focusing on workouts and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's good, man. See, we're on the same page. That's when I came across your channel. I got excited because I've been following other channels as well. And my channel originally was not about fitness. It was originally about travel and vacationing. And obviously, as you know, we're not doing a lot of travel and vacationing right now. So I kind of had to make the pivot.
I know, yeah.
You know, I had to make the pivot to something that was better for me and something I like to do. And like losing weight and getting in shape was a new passion for me. So that's why I'm kind of doing what I'm doing. So as you know, I'm in a 30-day challenge right now. We're only on day 15 and we got like an ab challenge. We got like miles we got to do per week. We got, you know, some weight loss goals. Tell me about what did you do in your 30-day challenge, or tell the viewers about it.
Okay, so in my 30-day challenge, it was there was a certain weight that I wanted to get to, so I had to lose about 10 pounds of weight, and then I was also trying to improve my fitness, like overall stamina, stuff like that, and also improve my soccer skill wise. I was trying to improve. So at the end of the 30-day challenge, I noticed big improvements even before it finished. So I was very satisfied and very happy that I decided to go along with the 30-day challenge. Because during it feels hard. It feels like, you know,
Did you create it, or did you follow someone's 30-day challenge?
Pardon?
Did you create it, or did you follow someone's 30-day challenge?
Oh no, I came up with it myself. Like it was basically just me trying to improve myself as much as possible within 30 days.
That's awesome. And then did you lose the 10 pounds?
Yeah, I lost even a bit more than that. So I was happy. It was about 12 pounds, yeah.
Dang, 12 pounds. Wow, man, that's good. That's excellent. That's excellent. My currently goal right now is to lose 15 for the month of July. Let's just say I'm not close yet, but I still got more time, so I'm gonna get consistent. I just gotta stay consistent with my effort, you know. Okay, Daniel. Hey, you know what? That sounds awesome, man. I just love to hear.
The bit was
Go ahead. What were you saying?
The biggest mistake I made is like the first 2 weeks into the challenge, I was going too aggressive with it. So I was maybe barely eating like 1,500 calories, but I was burning like probably almost 4,000 calories a day. So it was like too intense, and I was always feeling tired and weak. So I would recommend to do something more like manageable, something more, you know, that you don't want to feel like you're restraining yourself so much. So you want it to be like something that you can actually do.
Gotcha. And how were you? And I was talking to one of my buddies now about counting calories and, you know, keeping track of your food. How are you keeping track, and how are you counting the calories that you were consuming?
Okay, so for a while now, I've been using this app called Lose It. So really all you do is when you're about to eat, you either just scan what you're eating. If it's like you you scan the serving of what you're about to eat. If it has a barcode, or if it doesn't, you can just search it up. So and then you can set a goal for how much calories you want for the day, and then just keep trying to follow that.
That's awesome. I love that I didn't even know you were gonna say lose it, because I use lose it as well, and I started
you use that as well?
Yeah, I use it as well. But like, I didn't even know you were gonna throw out lose it. I literally, only thing I'm struggling with, like I said, at the end of the day, I've always tell people, like 99% of all quote unquote diets or lifestyle changes work. You just have to work it and be consistent. When it comes to the lose it app, I probably used it for the first 12 days consistently. Every day I woke up, anything I consume, I put it in. And then some days I might eat this, I might eat that, I might not punch it in. You know, sometimes when you cook a dinner, you don't have something
sometimes,
to Go ahead, what?
Yes, sometimes you don't feel like putting it in, or, you know, it's a hassle. Sometimes it's a hassle because you have to like scan every little ingredient and stuff like that. So sometimes it can really be a hassle, but at the end of the day, it pays off.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. If I cook something, you got to scan the cheese, scan this, scan that, and have exactly how much amount you put in there. But you're right. If you want to get serious about your weight loss and get serious about what you got coming in your body and what you got coming out, you're right. I think lose is a good thing to use for sure. What other apps or fitness things do you use to track your fitness?
Oh, so I've used MyFitnessPal for tracking calories too, but that one, I think Lose It was honestly the best app, because MyFitnessPal was a little bit more complicated to add all the foods and stuff like that. And when I was tracking the calories that I was burning every day, I used an Apple Watch, and there's an app you can get on your phone called Activity, so you can see like how much calories you're burning a day, including your like activity plus your metabolism. So like how much your body is burning just resting and stuff like that. So it really helped me out to figure out how much calories I should be eating a day and stuff like that.
That's cool. That's wonderful, man. That's awesome. Awesome, Daniel. Okay, well, I like keeping things short and sweet and to the point, you know, so I'm not going to go too long. So, I mean, just again, can you tell us, like, where can people find you on YouTube? You know, tell us, like, you know, again, you know, what's your goals, what you got going on, and how we can find you.
So, my channel is called DK21. And if you guys are into, like, soccer or just trying to get a better version of yourself, come and check out my channel. And I recommend it. You won't regret it. It's a lot of good content. I post daily, and I put a lot of effort into the videos. So yeah.
Awesome, Daniel. I love that, man. That's another thing I like about your YouTube channel. You post daily. I was worried, you know, I've never posted daily until the month of July, and now, you know, I posted daily, and like my subscribers have just gone up because I'm just being consistent with my videos. Are you seeing the same thing now that you're posting daily?
Yeah, I'm seeing growth, but the growth is, you know, the growth isn't going to be huge because every YouTuber has to start from somewhere. You know, it takes years for them to even really get noticed. So the best thing is to post consistently, and that's going to increase your chances of getting out there, getting known.
Awesome. That's what I'm talking about, Daniel. Okay, so guys, I'm going to stop recording here, but thank you so much for watching and, you know, plugging into our little interview we had today. Like I said, check out Daniel's channel. Check out my channel for real, for, you know, fitness videos as well. Maybe some travel, maybe some tech. We'll see what the world brings us. So guys, check it out until next time. All right. Till then, peace.